up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Wallet Monkey channel, where we give you all the credit intel you need to grow your wallet. Today I'm going to share with you 4 places that you can go and check your business credit score. This is your business credit score. We're going to share with you 2 that are more like a fintech option and also are piped into business funding options, credit cards, loans, etc. And then 2 that are just basically regular ones. Okay, so let's get started. First one up is NAV. I'm sure you've heard of this. We've covered this in other videos. This is all over the website. But with a free NAV account, just by signing up, they will give you all kinds of free reports. So you'll get a copy of your Experian business, your Equifax business, and your personal Experian. Okay? And the point of that is to get you into one of these loans. So they've got micro loans, merchant cash advance, invoice financing, equipment financing, lines of credit, SBA loans. So I like that they're integrated into so many different products now. It's been a while since I checked in with NAV. I actually don't really remember what it looks like when you log in, but there's this similar kind of process to where you can, after you load up a profile and connect some dots for them. I think you have to link up your bank account now, your business bank account. They will connect you up. Maybe you don't. Maybe you just have to show proof that it's your business or something. But then they'll link you up and give you the likelihood of getting financing through one of their. They have over 100 vendors that they work with, which is huge. So I mentioned this before, but now when you piggyback that with Tillful, who's got like this kind of fintech angle that they cover, and they also have their own business credit scoring system that they use, point scale system, 0 to 100. So between the 2 of those, you're getting a very complete look at how you qualify and just your likelihood of getting loans from all the way from SBA end to fintechs that link up bank accounts and look at alternate ways of you managing your business funds, right? So these 2 alone give you a big leg up, right? Now, Tillful, I don't think gives you access to traditionals like Experian, Equifax, Paydex score, anything like that, but they have their own score that is very unique, and I think this is going to become more and more popular as more fintechs kind of try and fill that gap of alternative lending by looking at other metrics outside of just age of business, payment history, Paydex score, etc. Right? So anyways, those are the first 2. If you start there and get both of those integrated, Tillful does require you to integrate with a business checking account. I think you can add in credit cards as well. You can add in, basically as many different options as you want for them to get a more complete picture of your finances so that they can link you up with their options. So let's take a quick look at that. Their options, I think there's more than this, but here's a good look of their network that they work with. So a lot of, like I said, the kind of newer fintechs like Divvy, Brex, Idea Financing is more traditional, but some of these other ones. And I think there's even more than this. All right, so that was number 2 is Tillful. Number 3, good old-fashioned Dun & Bradstreet. So, if you wanted to get access to this, you can do free, which just gives you basic monitoring. So I think that's this one right here. All right, so view 4 scores and ratings for 14 days, includes the Paydex, delinquency predicator score, financial stress score, and supplier evaluation risk rating. Business credit inquiries you get, changes to available scores, new business events you don't get, or any of the scoring and monitoring. And then if you wanted to jump into $15 a month, you get unlimited access to view all those, 5 scores. What's the 5th? Dun & Bradstreet rating is the 5th. And then you get access to new business events affecting your company, including lawsuits, liens, and judgments. That would be interesting. Okay, or $39.99 a month, and you get all scores. How many more scores do they got? Maximum credit recommendation. Ooh, that'd be interesting to get. And overall business risk. Dark web email monitoring, industry benchmarking. What is that? Measurement of your business credit scores against your industry. Okay, explanation of scores and ratings. $39.99 a month. Yeah, they used to have some really weird packages. I think they're still somewhere in this site, somewhere deep in this site. Look at all these links, man. Holy crap. They've got some sort of business builder. I think we've covered that in the past, where you pay them per month and then they report the thing that you're buying through them to themselves, and it helps build your credit. Okay, last one. Number 4, Experian, smartbusinessreports.com. And there's a few options here too. I talked about this before, about how Oh, that's where they got that number from. $39.95 per report. I thought I paid more than that. Maybe I got a more detailed report. They got a lot here. So you can get one per month for $189 annually, or for $1,500 annually, you get 30 per month. So you can pull 30 reports, I think, per month, or do 30 businesses per month. I don't think it matters the difference. So you can pull your own businesses or other people's, and you get a full breakdown. I mean, look at all this. Judgments, payment trends, liens, bankruptcies, collections, risk rating, credit score factors, trade payment details, inquiry details, UCC detail, don't know what that is, corporate financial info. Yeah, there's quite a bit. Or $50 per report, and this, I think, is a beefed up report, and here's the basic report. Just get one report, right? And you're missing all these details. Yeah, so they've just got, trade detail, inquiry details, corporate financial info, UCC details. And then also, too, you've got international business credit reports. You could pull one of those, 10 reports for $450 a year, 20 for $750. Or if you want to get a valuation report, if you're starting to look at, I guess maybe even exit strategy, or just how well your business is positioned, $100 for that report. But yeah, this is like just going straight to Experian and getting your IntelliScore and all your data from Experian directly. So that's an option you have there. But you start to piece all this together, you're spending quite a bit on Paydex scores and Experian and Equifax. You can probably pay them, and you could probably pay all these different credit bureaus for them to give us some sort of credit report. I'm sure they'll take your money if you want to give it to them. So I would stick with Nav and Tillful for now. And if you needed to, every once in a while, maybe once a year, pull a report through Experian. If you're more active than that, I would say that's probably the one that's most likely that you want to pay attention to is Experian. And I'd probably say D&B is a close second to be pulling that on a regular basis. But yeah, again, there's going to be added expenses. You would be able to write that off at the end of the year, of course. So there you go. 4 places that you can not only track your credit score, but also to get access to business funding right there for you. So comment below if you've got experience or just something to say across what we just shared with you. If you want to help us grow and get this video in front of more people, just click this little guy down below. And if you're brand new here and you like this sort of thing, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so that you don't miss out on future uploads. See you again real soon, my friends.